Okay, welcome to this final lesson of the fractions and decimal units, which is going to be the assessment quiz. Now, not too much to say for this video, to be honest, because this is all things that you have done before. Have a look at the LO for each one to see what the question is trying to check whether you can do. Read the question in this column, answers in this column in red, please, and then self-assess. You're not going to be able to draw the triangle, so just tell me how many lines of the triangle you would have drawn and I've just written up there, look, a little bit of help for you, just in case you've forgotten what we do. So, for example, you write 1 for you don't understand it at all, 2 for you understand it a bit, but you could think you could use some more practice, or 3 for you're super confident with this type of question, you know it, you're fluent at it. Have a read of all of the questions. Some of the questions are split into 2 parts, and where they are, you obviously need to provide 2 answers. When you are self-assessing, then obviously you need to refer back to the LO and say, tell me, and that is what you're referring to when you're self-assessing. Now, I know that some of you have not been able to complete all of the different activities. That is absolutely fine, okay? This is not like in school where we'll be doing this and then the intervention and all those things. This is just an informal little assessment quiz. Please feel free at this point to use the videos, to go back and use the videos and to research if you need to. If you have struggled with this unit, or if you've struggled with parts of this unit, it's okay to get help from people who you are working with at home. You don't need to do this in test conditions like we would at school. This is not a test, okay? This is a little bit of assessment at the end. And this is going to help us identify those areas when we come back to school, which hopefully will be sooner rather than later. It's going to help us identify those areas that people need a little bit of extra time to work on, a couple of extra lessons on, a little bit of extra support, and those things which we have done really, really well. So don't stress about it. It's nothing to worry about. It's not a test. Like I said, you don't have to do it in test conditions. Please try and remember to self-assess, and over to you, really. Off you go.